Good day, everyone. You're welcome to the Crypto Niche channel, where we share tons of information on cryptocurrencies and blockchain. We are going to be learning how to answer quizzes on Coinmarketcap. So I've done the bulk of the work for you. I've done the hardest work for you. I've watched the videos. I've read the articles. So right now it is time to answer all of these questions before you, so that you can have an improved chance of earning PPAY tokens through PlasmaFinance. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to waste much of your time. I'm going to go straight to the point. Okay, so if you're just meeting me for the first time, I'm the content creator at the Crypto Niche channel, where I create valuable information on what you can do to earn money through the internet, via cryptocurrency and the blockchain ecosystem. Okay, so I've made dozens of videos in the last few months, and I made a video on how to earn fiat tokens on Coinmarketcap some months ago, and a lot of people reacted positively to it, and they asked me dozens of questions through it. Okay, so it is the reason why someone here on WhatsApp, let me say a shout out to him. Damilola is his name on WhatsApp. He sent a message to me. He said, "Boss, I guess you forgot to make a video for Coinmarket, and there's a new token dropping in less than 2 hours. Okay, PlasmaFinance." He's the one that gave me this information. He notified me about it. I said thank you, and I asked him if he's going to love a shout out. So today I'm shouting out to Damilola Abel. Thanks so much for that, guys. I really appreciate you. God bless you. So now, you want to come to this channel and subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification button, so that when I make some other valuable videos or content in the next 1 week or the next 2 or 3 days, you're going to be the first person that will get notified about it. Okay, so I make videos quite often on this channel. So today we're going to click on Learn and Earn. After logging into the Coinmarketcap.com website, you click on Learn and Earn. So the concept is that you're going to learn more about the PlasmaFinance, and through that you will be able to learn. So maybe there's something wrong with this at the moment, so I'm going to try and refresh this page. So there are dozens of people, there are millions of people around the world that are trying to access the same website. So it makes sense if you experience such a minor glitch on the platform. So you're going to come here and get started. These are the content. PlasmaFinance experience DeFi that's easy, convenient, and safe. That is one. Then we have make passive income through DeFi. Decentralized financing is DeFi, if you don't know what that means. So Plasma Swap, that is trade assets and manage liquidity like a pro, like a professional. Okay. So another lesson says that optimizing DeFi, cheaper transactions, lower gas use. That's incredible. So this project is offering a unique solution in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, and they want you to know more about it, and they want to pay you even for knowing about all of these things. So this campaign will end in the next 3 days, 30 hours and 35 minutes. So once you see this, once you come across this video, quickly go to the Coinmarketcap. I'm going to provide you with every information that will be required. So you can sign up on Binance if you don't have an account on Binance yet, because you platform for this purpose. Okay, so you want to go there, sign up. I'm going to provide a link down below. Then you can use the same login details and access Coinmarketcap.com website, because the Binance already acquired Coinmarketcap. Okay, they already acquired Coinmarketcap, so the same login details that work on Coinmarketcap can also work on the Binance ecosystem. So if you have an account on Binance, then definitely you have an account on Coinmarketcap. That's how it works. So it's like having a Gmail account that works on different devices. So if you don't know how to find the user ID, you can come here and click on how to find your user ID. That is after you must have created your account. So you can come here on how to find your user ID. The instructions is here. So I'm going to provide the link on how you can sign up on Binance. So now let's go to the real business. So you want to click here, read the contents, watch the videos, okay? Because this video is just like a summary of everything, all the text that you're seeing here. But I recommend strongly that you try and read all of these texts, okay, so that you're going to have access to more information than an average Joe will have access to, and this will improve your chance of earning this token. This token could be worth $1,000 soon or so or something. Project, I want to take advantage of this free token right now. So after reading all of these things, I've done that before, so I'm going to go right there to quiz, okay, without wasting any of your time. So I'm going to take the quiz. So once I get here, then it begins to get interesting. So we want to click on here and start. So I'm going to answer some questions, okay? I'm going to answer some questions like they're asking if I'm ready for Plasma Finance Network quiz. I'm going to click on yes. Let me verify that I'm not a robot. As you can see from my voice, I'm not a robot. So you want to click on this. Read about the terms and conditions of Coinmarketcap and regarding these projects and every other project. So if you agree with this, you can come back here and tell them that you agree to it. Okay, come here and tell them you agree to it. Also don't forget to open the frequently asked questions and check all the answers that has been provided for you. If these answers are not enough for you, maybe they are not sufficient for you, then you can come and send a message to the support, and they're going to reply to your message at most in 48 hours. Okay, so that's quite interesting. So let's come back to this place again. I'm going to say yes. So I'm going to provide my email address. Okay. So after providing your email, it takes you to this page where you can copy and paste your user ID on Binance. So I've done that already. So I've been able to copy my user ID. Okay. So if you don't know how to do that, I suggest that you go through the video that talks about how to earn field token on Coinmarketcap. So I'm going to drop the link to that video also in the comment section, in the description box. Okay. So I'm going to paste this here. That is my user ID. Okay. I'm going to click on next. So the question says that PlasmaFinance is the one-stop shop for all your DeFi needs. Which of the following can you do with Plasma Finance? Okay. You can earn passive income from staking and other different activities, access real-time market data and advanced analytics, invest in a platform and earn a share of revenue. All of the above. Yes, you can get all of this above value from the Plasma Finance. Okay. So this one says that modern decentralized exchanges use an automated protocol whereby independent users can add their crypto assets to a common pool and earn a portion of all the fees generated when others swap assets using this pool. PlasmaFinance lets users view all these pools across all major dexes, so they can choose the most profitable ones, which is the passive income earning DeFi activities commonly called. Question: what is this passive income earning DeFi activities called? Okay, so that is liquidity mining. I've made quite a number of videos about this and how you can take advantage of this on the channel also. So PlasmaFinance promotes the use of transparent, real-time, on-chain market data to provide DeFi users with an unrivaled level of assurance. Which of these statements are not true about Plasma Finance? Okay, so this one says that you can connect to the most popular DeFi protocols like Uniswap, Social, specific token page information to view, analyze, and use them all in one dashboard. Okay, so you have to be careful about fake data, manipulated statistics, and bot numbers when using PlasmaFinance, just as you would on centralized data sources. Okay, so you can filter your market data by all kinds of categories, such as by network, by IDO, or by trending. So this is not true. Okay, so that takes us to the next page. When providing liquidity on DEXs, DeFi users must provide liquidity in a pair of assets. Retrieving and moving this liquidity from one liquidity pool to another involves at least 4 separate transactions. Okay, how many transactions you need to perform on Plasma Finance using the Flash Rebalancer tool? This is the most incredible part of this project. You only need one. Okay, that's quite interesting. So look at it again. You only need one. Okay, so I find that quite useful. So next page is this. Which of the following is a unique feature of PlasmaFinance which most DEXs are unable to offer to their users? Okay, so this is, you can trade with limit orders. That's quite interesting. Buy crypto with fiat, connect multiple wallets, all of the above. Are you sure about that? Which are the following unique features of Plasma which most DEXs are unable to offer? You know, they are able to offer all of the above. Okay, talk about PancakeSwap. I'm not trying to pull them down. You know, you cannot buy crypto with fiat on PancakeSwap. That's not possible. Not even Uniswap. Okay, so but on the Plasma Swap, you can do all of this. So that's quite incredible. That's quite revolutionary. So this question says that what is the abbreviation of PlasmaFinance native token? Okay, as you can see from the video at the very beginning, it's called PPAY. Okay, so this is asking about my wallet address, my ERC20 wallet address. I don't want to provide that now. Okay, so they're asking you this. Follow the Plasma communities if you are looking for your next Learn and Earn campaign. Okay, so these are the groups you can join to get notified as much as possible. Okay, so I'm going to go to the previous and come here. Okay, so I encourage you to always create something like this on your system because it comes handy when you are participating in activities like this, in events like this. Okay, so this is my private wallet. Okay, this wallet is associated with my exchange. Okay, so I prefer to receive it on, I prefer to receive the token through this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, and I'll come here and paste it and paste my wallet address. Okay, and I'll click on next. Okay, so if you want to get notified about the latest airdrop campaign, I'll come here and join the Telegram group. Okay, join the Telegram group. Okay, and join as many community as possible, maybe on Twitter, Medium, Telegram group, in case you have any question and if you're looking forward to next Learn and Earn campaign. So right now, that's all you need to earn this PPAY token, guys. Don't slack on it. Get on it, answer correctly, submit your wallet address, submit your Binance user ID, and that is all you need to earn this token. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe on this channel, hit the like button, turn on the notification after subscribing to this channel. Ask me any question about this video and I'm going to provide answers to it as soon as possible. And I'm going to leave you guys with link to my WhatsApp. So if you have any question also, you can let me know via WhatsApp. There's going to be a link down below in the description box so that you can become a mutual contact also on WhatsApp, because I share dozens of valuable information regarding crypto and blockchain on my WhatsApp status every day. Okay, every day, week in, week out, 24/7. Okay, so you don't want to miss out on that. So see you guys in another powerful and valuable tutorial. Bye for now.